Hello and welcome back. My name is Dr. Sarah Lentz, owner of the Refractive Thinker Press. Today our focus is on tips for how to create a presentation using PowerPoint. We begin first with understanding the purpose of PowerPoint. PowerPoint is part of the Microsoft Office suite designed specifically to help speakers present to their audience. If we keep this in mind, we realize that all that's needed for our PowerPoint slides is maybe a few bullet points, a table, a graph, or maybe a picture or two. Simple elements to help keep us as a speaker on track, as well as our story to help engage our audience. Many speakers make the common mistake of putting too much information on their slides. The goal is not to read your slides to your audience. Remember, if you have too much text on your slides, your audience is reading your slides and not listening to you. Instead, focus on short bullet points or a picture that helps remind you of specific points to explain or stories to help keep you moving forward. Our goal is to have a conversation with our audience, not to read to them. Make sure that your text or your font size is also large enough for everyone to see, including those at the back of the room. I like to have my slides with, say, 28 to 36 pitch font and in bright colors. Again, only needing to have a few bullet points or words on a slide, the size is usually large enough for everyone in the room to see. Make sure that you are talking to your audience, not talking to your slides. The goal of any presentation is to engage your audience as if you're having a personal conversation with each and every person. Be sure that you face your audience and not your slides, and let's not hide behind that podium either. Be sure that you have the ability to use movement, because movement is a big key to keeping your audience engaged. Walk around to different sides of the room, make eye contact to different people all around the audience. Don't hide or stand still. When you are engaged and interesting, so is your audience. Movement also helps if you're nervous. Remember, you're just having a conversation. And finally, be sure to practice, but don't memorize your presentation. If you use index cards or notes, don't write a script. Again, when you're nervous, you might be tempted to read your notes, and again, your audience is not going to listen to you if you're reading to them. Your slides should be your bullet points. Be sure to practice to avoid the dreaded ums and uhs, and remember it's okay to be nervous. Just make sure to breathe and smile. You'll do just fine. Giving presentations is an art that requires time and patience to do well. Learn to have fun with your presentations, and remember, you're just sharing your story with your audience. Feel free to bring props and visual aids or even handouts, and a picture is always worth 1,000 words. So thank you so much for joining me today. For additional tips on academic writing and studying, please visit me at my blog at www.dissertationpublishing.com. And thank you for joining me. Again, my name is Dr. Sarah Lentz, and I hope you find these suggestions in this video helpful. Good luck to you. Bye-bye now.